Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the free YouTube Premium for 3 months. So of course, in order to do so, there are some requirements. And YouTube often provide free trials periods for new users. It's going to be sometimes 1 month, sometimes 2, or even 3 months offers. It will be varied, or it will vary depending on the region and also promotions. So first, open a browser and go to the URL section. Make sure to go to youtube.com/premium. So, premium like that. Hit the enter button, and you should be taken to this exact page. So as an example for me, the offer that I get depending on my region is only 1 month. I can go here and click on try, 1 month for 0. I don't have to pay anything. And of course, you can choose if you are an individual, family, or student. So as an example, if you're a student, you'll be able to get it for 0 and pay only 35 a month after. If you're a family, an example, you can add up to 5 members, 13 plus, or if you're an individual, you would have to pay $6. So you can go and try it for 1 month. As an example, this is for my region. So I can go and click on try. And all I have to do is enter my card. The card will be required, as you can see, but they will not charge you anything on the card. And normally the requirements to get a free trial, you just must not have used YouTube Premium on that account before. If you used it before, if you paid before, you'll not be able to get normally this 1 month or 2 or 3. And you'll need also a valid payments method like credits, debit card, or even a PayPal card. And you can cancel this anytime before the trial ends to avoid any charges on your card. So go to youtube.com/premium and you'll be able to see how much months you can get. Is it 1, is it 2, or even is it 3? As I said, sometimes they get 3 depending on promotions and regions. But normally most people get only 1. Of course, you can also use a VPN to access other countries' offers, like some countries offer longer trials like India, Turkey, Philippines. You can go and use any VPN to try and get that if you want to. So what will not work for you, of course, is just some scams that you need to avoid. It's just EPKs or modern YouTube Premium apps. It is not safe. And also like the Telegram Premium tricks, it has a lot of risks of your accounts to get banned or even a malware. And also the phishing websites that your account or card will be stolen. So make sure to avoid that. So what I can tell you before this video ends is just set a reminder to cancel before the renewal dates because they will charge your card after. Or you can even go and get your 1 month or 2 months or 3, then cancel it immediately. And of course, you will have the rest of the period for free until your free trial ends. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.